In this video, we present a left femur fracture open reduction internal fixation in a monkey using the Osteocertus Osteolock Mini. Osteolock Mini is an all-inclusive system with locked plating, screws, and instruments for animals weighing up to 6 kilograms. Osteolock is the first all-in-one veterinary plate system. Using the latest technologies, Osteolock Mini was conceived from the ground up for maximal implant versatility requiring minimal instrumentation. This system allows more surgeries with less inventory. In our example case, we have a left femur fracture in a monkey. AP and lateral views were obtained of the monkey's left femur. The AP X-ray demonstrated a short oblique mid-shaft femur fracture. The red arrows here clearly demarcate where the fracture can be found. The lateral X-ray confirmed the fracture, and the red arrow here demonstrates where the fracture can be found on the lateral view. The monkey was taken to the operating room where an open reduction internal fixation was performed through a lateral approach to the femur. This is a clinical photograph of the left femur demonstrating the reduction of the fracture. This is a clinical photo of the wound after closure in surgery. Postoperative x-rays were obtained. The postoperative x-rays demonstrate that the fracture is well reduced and that 2 orthogonal plates were used to fix this fracture. The lateral plate has 6 screws in it, and the anterior plate has 4 screws in it. This is a video of the same monkey approximately 1 week after surgery, and it can be seen that it's moving quite nicely and actually bearing weight on that left femur. And this is a video of the same monkey approximately 1 month postoperatively, demonstrating that the monkey is nearly completely recovered using the left femur without much problem or difficulty.